robotic of the world. Look at this. See what I'm making for today. For today, it's the bestest day for the world. We have a new channel of robotics. Stuck here. Now it has to look straight. Now we're almost there. There you go. Now you have to make it like this. Red, clicking on almost done. Maybe we don't need the square, so we'll just put like this. So next, we're putting this. See? Put another one tall.
But what are you making today?
You don't know what today I'm just making a robot. Like, look in the back. Today I'm making this one. So now I'm making squares for a minute. For today.
Oh, you made the legs so far?
Yeah.
Okay. You'd like to
So
say.
now,
So the legs are ready. The engineer is just checking what's next.
body. Let's just check. So now we have to make the body. So now we have to make it like this.
So were these the legs so far?
Yeah?
Okay.
It's my work.
Sorry?
It's my work.
Oh, so you're a businessman?
Yes? I'm a business.
Show me the face of the businessman. Ooh. Okay. So what is this?
So this one? So this is a robot.
What part of robot is this?
What part? There's no part of a robot. All done.
This looks very easy, honestly.
Yes, it looks easy. Sometimes it falls, sometimes we can make it again. Like how we make our works. Sometimes my work is like this. My work is like this. Oh, now it's gonna fall. I don't know. Whoa. We need something. Now, it's not working.
You can just, so guys, if you can't work like this, it worked.
Wow. I don't want this to fall, but if it falls,
It's all right.
it's alright. You're right.
No problem. It's just a minor damage.
Yes, not all of them. Whoa.
I have an idea.
The robot is ready. Not even fault. My fault. My job.
Sorry?
My job. Or it looks like,
I love the details you did to the legs.
but we can make something for him. Well, we can make something. See what I'm making for him.
What's that?
It's one hat for him.
Oh, you made a hat?
Papa.
Let's see what
Papa.
was this inspired by.
I hope you can make some other block like another robot. Subscribe in the channel, like and share, and subscribe. Bye bye.